So the next thing that we're going to go over is going to be lead sheets. And so lead sheets, we're going to give you a couple different opportunities for you to have a partnership with a lead vendor that we recommend. We might even have some referral codes for you to use to get discounts. The way that leads are referred to as, each line item that you see here is going to be considered a record. Once a record gets qualified or called, or there's some type of touch point that takes place, then you can qualify that lead and turn it into a sales qualified lead. You're probably going to want to keep some type of pipeline with the sales qualified leads. That way you can stay organized on your follow-ups. I also recommend utilizing your Google Calendar. That way you can shift that lead down the line and have reminders to set to call them back, whether it's Google, Microsoft, your preference on the email provider that you're using. Now, with us, we have a full CRM. For someone that's just cold calling from their house though, I don't think that you need all of that tech stack in order for you to be successful. We actually operated off of Google Sheets for a long time within our business. About 4 years, we operated off Google Sheets. We had what's called a Google Sheet empire. So you can make plenty of money with just Sheets. You just have to be intentional with how you keep organized and how you track those types of things. You also might need to become a little bit familiar at how to maneuver Sheets. But a typical lead sheet can range in price and it can range in data that's provided. This is going to be a pretty minimum lead sheet. And lead sheets like this can cost anywhere from 2 cents to 5 cents a record. These leads are going to be people that have actually applied for some type of financial product in the past, not just general UCC leads. Lead sheets can be a complete application. Sometimes they can even come with bank statements to a company, and you just have to call the client to get updated bank statements. Sometimes it can be just phone numbers and just emails if you're doing SMS or email campaigns. Depending on the quality of the lead, the price is also going to change too. A price of a lead can be as little as, honestly, half a penny, maybe even fractions of a penny. If you're getting just cold UCC data, I recommend spending a little bit more. That way you can get more qualified data that's going to render more qualified merchants and better pickup rates. But then lead sheets can go all the way up to $50 per lead for same day referrals over to you, whether it's through a call center or full applications or even just short forms, whatever it is. Okay. For all the training that you need to do until you can obtain 20 applications a month, I'm a firm believer that all you need is this type of lead sheet. So company name, first name, last name, phone number, and email. I also believe that if you can't get 20 applications a month by doing just cold calling, it's going to be a pretty hard transition to becoming a closer. So we do a lot of inbound leads, and we encourage you to do that one day yourself as well. But if you can't learn the innate skills of how to cold call, even though you're generating data, it's going to be hard to sell them on the actual deal because you haven't developed your sales skills yet. Going from a cold lead, turning them into someone that can actually apply with you and send them pieces of sensitive financial information like their bank statements is a unique skill in of its own. And whether you're in the merchant cash advance industry or any other sales industry, I can guarantee you that those sales skills will carry over. So to reiterate, I am going to give you guys referrals and like a data cheat sheet. We'll give you a handful of different individuals. You'll give them a referral code, or you'll say my name, you'll say Funders Academy. It'll be in the instructions. That way you guys can get lead sheets from credible, trusted merchant cash advance providers. In addition to that, you may be able to qualify for discount codes. Keep in mind, you can also go and do direct things on LinkedIn, but there's going to be a limit on that. But regardless of how many leads you buy, the most qualified leads are going to be from within your own network. If you have that trust already established with a credible business owner, you could make quite a bit of commission just helping their business succeed, because it's a lot harder to build trust from a cold lead than someone that's already within your network. We do encourage you to find referrals from people that you already know.